Hi, boys and girls. I'm glad you found your way to my lesson today. I'm going to review the learning goal, review the rubric, and then get you started with the lesson. Today's goal is to be able to manage tabs to create a digital story. Some vocabulary I might discuss today is tabs, the tabs you'll find across the top of a web browser. Digital stands for anything that's made electronically. The code is what we're going to be putting together to make the digital story. The X button you'll find at the top corner, which closes out websites or different applications on the computer. And surfing. I'm not talking about the surfing that you do when you're in the ocean. I'm talking about surfing on the internet, when you're looking around on the internet. To get to the activity today, you're going to go to the Google Chrome button and find your way to the Crawford Rodriguez Launchpad. Inside the Launchpad, you're going to click on Resources for Parents and Students. And we're going to click on Technology, Symbaloo, that tile. And the one that I want you to spy today is called Scratch Project Editor. That's what we're going to use to make the digital story. So I'm going to find my way there right now. Okay, this website teaches you step by step how to do the activity. Right now they call it a sprite. The sprite I have is a cat. If you don't want to use the cat sprite, you can choose your own from the library, and there's hundreds to choose from. You can scroll down until you see one you like. And when you find one you like, click on it and click OK. The old one, we can remove it. You have to right click and delete it. Okay? Just the same as this. You can right click, you can duplicate it, which makes another one, or you can delete it. Alright, backdrops are here, and you can pick a backdrop and click OK as well. Okay? You can also do your own editing using these tools on your backdrop, and you can see the tabs up here. I'm going to go back to the script. All of the sub-tabs for the script are color-coded to help you when you're picking scripts. And for some reason, my scripts are not showing up. No motion block. Oh, I have to click on my sprite, I think. There they come. Okay, there's not going to be any scripts for the backdrop. That's what I had clicked on. So you have to make sure you clicked on your sprite. Now here's the step-by-step directions. The first step is to drag a move block into the scripts area. So I can drag one over. Then they want me to they have a couple here that I could pick. So let me pick that one, and I'll do that one. Maybe I want to glide. And you can see that each one is editable too. So if you don't want 10 and you want 30, you can change that. If you want the 15, and remember these are degrees, so 360 is a full circle. So maybe you want it to go 180 degrees. And then 180 degrees back the other way. And then I'm going to leave that the same. Maybe I'll change it to 2 seconds. And now to play it, you just click the block, and you can see your sprite move. There it goes. Okay, now I only have 4 things, so it doesn't really move too much. I'm going to go to step 2. Step 2 is to make a sound. So I'm going to click on the sound sub-tab, and I'm going to put in one of the sound ones. Play a drum. Maybe I want it to be a cowbell for how many beats? Maybe 1 beat. Let's check that out. I have my sound off, so you can hear it make a little noise. Okay, so you can So that was my note. Okay, done with that step. On to the next. This one wants me to change the numbers, which I already did, or change the styles. This is a repeat block, so I'm going to go to Control. That is where you'll find all the orange ones. So maybe I want this whole thing to be repeated. Okay, so now when I do it, it's going to repeat 10 times. Okay, I'm not going to make you sit through that. But you know, if you don't want that glide, you can click on it and delete that glide out of it. Oh, you know what? Everything underneath of it deletes. So be careful that when you do that. I didn't realize that happened. Now, as you work through this, you're going to want to go through all 13 steps. Okay? If you decide to change your sprite, everything that you did over here in the script area is gone. So make sure that you choose your sprite and your backgrounds first. That's what you want. Okay? And when you're done, you should have completed your digital story. And I didn't talk about managing tabs yet, so let me talk about that real fast. Just across the top, in case you didn't notice, you have a bunch of extra tabs opened up that you don't need. So as you're working, make sure that you only have the tabs opened up that you need. Okay, that was also part of the learning goal today, was to be able to manage your tabs. But hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to go on your own and be a 3 and create a digital story and manage your tabs all by yourself. Okay, have fun, and I'll talk to you soon.